Good morning, you guys. Today is one of those mornings where nobody's up yet. It is 7:20 almost. My kid have to be in the bus at like 8:10. So we have less than an hour time to all have breakfast, get dressed, and do all the things. So here is a quick breakfast tip you can do while you get your kids ready and make sure that they're still eating a nutritious meal. Let me prop you up here, and I'm letting you witness me here start to finish, just because I want to drive the point home that a good breakfast doesn't necessarily take a long time, okay? So grab yourself some eggs. Grab yourself some eggs, right? Find a tin foil. Find a muffin thing. Spray that up a little bit. Find yourself some bacon. And I already started my oven. So I am going to just, because I don't have time to stand here, I've got to help those kids to get ready. What I'm doing now is I'm just going to cut some of the bacon, and I am going to wrap it around my pan. I don't know if you can see this now, but yeah, I don't know if you can see this at all, like that. Good morning. Did you guys wake up? Emily, can you go and try to get yourself dressed? You've got school today. Okay, so I'm going to put the bacon in here. And like that. And as you can see, I do have my children slowly waking up. They're in the background, so I'm on the gun. It's 8:20, but I do choose that I want to make a good breakfast for them. Well, 7:20, that's what I mean. Yes, thanks, hon. I do choose that I want them to have a good breakfast. So I'm going to quickly make this, and then I'm going to walk away and let this cook by itself and help my children to get ready, because by the time this is ready, they can eat. Okay, so quick thing for the eggs. And I just realized I don't have a lot of eggs. I just have a few. This is fine. Good enough. Get in there. Mix this up. Nicely mixed up. A little bit salt and pepper, if I can find it. There we go. Little salt and pepper. And now I'm just gonna put a little bit egg in those. Like so. And actually I don't have enough egg to make all of them. So now I'm going to just cut little pieces of the extra bacon what I already had on there, and just sprinkle some on the top, inside of it. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of the cheese in it on top of it, and I stick it in the oven. And then I'm gonna walk away. And when I get back from getting the children ready, my breakfast is hot and ready for them to eat. Right before they have to go to the bus. And this whole thing now, and you know what, I love doing these videos now because I can actually see how long it does take to make a good breakfast. People have this conception that we don't have time and it all takes so long, but when you really look at it now, it's not taking this long. Guys, see? Like that. And it goes in the oven. And that's it. Okay. Oh, I can't get my phone out again. Okay, so yeah, goes in the oven, guys, and that's it. Okay, so now it takes 6 minutes. Guys, you guys have 6 minutes to take care of your children and yourselves. 6 minutes. Let's go get dressed. Bye.